St David's Day.
You don't have to be fluent to want to learn Welsh. You can just familiarise yourself with the bits of the language.
I was useless at languages, and now dwi siarad Cymraeg, dwi 'di dysgu Cymraeg. So I've now learnt Welsh and I speak Welsh.